Build your own kayak catamaran you must. Strong and stable it will be. I will show you how to build your own catamaran. Okay, step 1. You will need 2 kayaks, preferably of the same size and shape. You need to go online to buy some clamps to hold the frame together. Try searching on Amazon for the keyword Gibraltar drum clamp power clamp. Next, you will need some aluminum tube, 1.5" or 38mm outside diameter. Check your local metal shop or online metal websites. Make sure the thickness of the tube is at least 1/8 inch or 3mm. Alternatively, you can use a steel pipe, but it is heavy and may rust over time. The most important thing is the outside diameter equals 1.5 inch or 38mm. Use the included bolts that came with the clamps to attach the clamps to the kayak itself. You will need to drill a hole in the kayak the diameter of the bolt and use a big washer on the inside. If you can't reach the bolts to tighten them onto the nut and washer, you may want to consider installing a hatch to access the bolts from inside. To secure the frame even more, run an eye bolt with a washer through the scupper plugs, then use a strap to go over the tubing. It should look something like this at the end. I have included links to all of the hardware below in the description. And if you need more help, just leave a comment below and may the force be with you.